triple certification of Chinese SFDA, American FDA, and American ISO.
Medical silicone products, hydration thermals, and remove the seams particle. The chitosan molecular forms a protective film on the skin, covers it and creates a much better protection for all kinds of external bacteria. It's protected and better. Chitosan molecular interact with the skin in the electrostatic field, rearranging the collagen and eliminating scars from the cell. The chitosan molecular causes an increase in BFGF. BFGF is the growth factor that promotes cell division, increase the cells, increase in repairs, and get much better quality skin.